How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can copy a sketch in FreeCAD. Now, I have my sketch ready to be copied right here. And what you want to do is to simply highlight all of these sketches that you want to copy. In my case, I'm going to be copying everything right here just to make things easier. And then you want to press the Control C on your keyboard, which will basically copy the sketch right here onto our clipboard. And now basically you just want to click on a part where you want to start copying. So in my case, it's going to be from the corner slot right here. Click Control V, and then you can do the same thing, which is to select a corner. So once again, in my case, it's going to be this specific corner right here. And now if we basically proceed, it will then look something like this. You can just click and drag from there and you will be able to copy the sketch itself. So let's basically do that again one more time, which is to Control C, drag the outline or where you want to start copying, and that's basically it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.